Hi, this is Will Vassos with BioTab Healthcare. Sorry I can't be in home with you to help you set up your compression pump, but luckily we can connect via Zoom virtually. Attached is a short video giving step-by-step instructions on how to set up and use our compression pump.
You received everything in the mail?
Yes.
Perfect. Do you have the pump and the leg garment out of the box and ready to go?
You'll see it's easy to set up and operate, but if you have any questions, please reach out to me at any time. Thanks and stay healthy.
Hello, Mrs. Cathcart. It's great you've gotten your pump to help treat your lymphedema and chronic venous insufficiency. Do you have everything out of the box and out of the wrapping and ready to go?
I do. Hi, Will. Good to see you.
So I'll just walk you through how we set up the pump and how it operates. If you have any questions or anything at all, just stop me at any time. But we'll just jump right into it. So obviously we want to plug the power cord into the wall. It can go into a power strip or directly into an outlet. And then it just connects to the back of the pump. If you've already done that, that's great. If you see on the end of the leg garment, end of the tubes, there's two plug-ins. So on the device, there is two open places to plug in. So you're just gonna match up the numbers and all you do is pinch both sides and push into the device.
Gotcha.
Very good. So now that we have the leg garment plugged in, we're gonna put the garment on. So if you see, there's just a zipper up the front and all you'll do is put it on your leg just like a boot and then zip up the front. And it should go up to about mid-thigh, maybe a little bit higher.
Do I take my shoe off?
Yes, sorry, Mrs. Cathcart. You're gonna take your shoe off first. And the leg garment, if you were doing bilateral or if you had an issue in both legs, the leg garments are interchangeable. They can go on either leg. For you, obviously, we'll just have it on this one leg. And if anything ever spills onto the garment, it's made of nylon and polyurethane, so nothing's gonna absorb into it. You can take a paper towel, a rag to wash it off. Now that we have the leg garment on, we are going to turn the pump on. Before we do that, let me just walk you through a few things. So we have the pump set to 50 millimeters of mercury, and that's the pressure setting we normally start most patients off at. It should feel like a slow, kind of gradual massage up your legs. But if you feel like it's causing discomfort or pain or anything, we can adjust the pressure and take it down to a point where you feel comfortable and can tolerate the compression. So all we're gonna do is push the red button on the device, the power button. If you go ahead and do that.
Done.
Perfect. So a number and a letter will come up, don't worry about that. Then 1 hour will come up on the screen. Do you see that?
I do.
Okay. And so the reason we have the 1 hour, that's the timer that the pump is set for. Our gold standard protocol is twice a day for an hour. So the pump will count down from 60 minutes. Once it hits 0, it automatically turns off. So it's a nice feature if you happen to fall asleep with the pump on, so on and so forth. So it'll begin filling up with air, compressing at your foot, work its way up to your ankle, so on and so forth up the leg. All compress at once and then deflate, and then it'll begin again at your foot. And it'll take a second for the pump to kind of rev up since it's brand new. How's it feel so far?
Good.
Good.
Because my ankle and the veins have really been hurting lately, so this is great.
Yeah, it'll definitely help with those vein issues you're having. It'll alleviate that pain, hopefully, and get you up and walking more. Just because this is a chronic condition, so it's never fully gonna go away. So you'll be using this as a maintenance tool to reduce the swelling, to get all that pooling fluid moving for the foreseeable future.
Wow.
And I'll check in with you later this week and see how you're doing, but we should be all good to go. If you have any questions or if anything comes up, always give me a shout and we can walk through it.
I appreciate you doing the Zoom. That really made it, pretty easy.
Yeah, no, thank you, and I'm excited to see the results that are produced from the pump.
I'll let you know, and thanks again.
Thanks, Ms. Cathcart.
Bye.